How to find your full Instagram search history. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right and now head towards three-line icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and navigate to Account Center at top. Tap to open it. Scroll down and on the account setting, choose your informations and permissions option. Now tap on search history option and now choose your Instagram account. So these are all your search history on Instagram. That is how we find our full Instagram search history. If you wish to delete, you can tap the cross mark next to it and delete all your search history. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.